Welcome to Tech Fix Everything's. In today's video, I'll show you how to refill the original HP 151A toner cartridge used for the HP LaserJet Pro 400 printer safely, cleanly, and effectively. First, print a test page before refilling the toner. If the cartridge has any issues, we can fix them during the refilling process. For example, black smudges caused by a worn drum, wiper blade, or charge roller, or faint prints due to low toner. After refilling, we'll print another test page to check the print quality and make sure everything looks good. Please note, this is the original genuine cartridge that comes with the printer. HP does not sell toner refills for users, but since we want to save money, we'll refill this cartridge and reuse it to reduce printing costs. And that's also the reason why you should replace the drum after refilling an original cartridge. And when refilling, of course, you'll need a good quality toner that's compatible with the original HP 151A cartridge, along with a toner funnel for easy pouring. Next, prepare a Phillips screwdriver or an electric screwdriver like the one I'm using in this video, a flat screwdriver to release the drum pins, a pair of pliers to grip and pull out the cartridge's metal pins, a clean cloth or dry tissue, and a bit of alcohol to clean the charge roller. Now, let's separate the cartridge into two halves. Use a pair of pliers to grip and pull out the two metal pins on both sides, just like you see in the video. Once the pins are removed, the cartridge will split into two sections: the drum and charge unit on one side, and the toner section with the magnetic roller on the other. In some cases, the pin sits deep inside the cartridge, making it hard to pull out with pliers. In that case, insert a flat screwdriver into this small gap and gently pry it outward. The pin will pop out slightly, and then you can easily grip it with your pliers and pull it out completely. I'll start with the drum and charge section first. Use a flat screwdriver to pry out the drum pin. It might be a bit tight, so take your time and apply steady pressure. Once the pin starts to come out, use pliers to grip and pull it out completely. Next, carefully remove the drum and wrap it in a clean sheet of paper. This will protect it from accidental damage during the refilling process and also prevent direct sunlight from hitting the drum surface. Next, remove the charge roller. The charge roller's job is to apply an electrical charge to the drum surface during printing. After that, remove the two screws that hold the drum wiper blade in place. Next, pour out all the waste toner from the waste toner chamber. If you have a toner vacuum, use it to clean the chamber just like I'm doing in this video. Use your two fingers to gently lift this rubber seal slightly upward. This seal works together with the drum wiper blade to stay tight against the drum surface, preventing waste toner from leaking out. Next, clean the charge roller using a cloth lightly dampened with alcohol. Wipe it thoroughly to remove any toner or dust. A good charge roller should have a smooth surface without scratches or peeling. If it's damaged, you'll need to replace it with a new one. Now reinstall the charge roller. Then place the drum back into position. Be careful with the small spring located at the gear side of the drum. If this spring is missing, it can make it very difficult to reinstall the cartridge. In some cases, the cartridge might still fit, but the printer will jam during printing. rotate the drum slowly. If the toner on the drum surface is wiped clean, that means the wiper blade is working properly. However, if the drum surface still has toner left on it, the wiper blade is worn out and needs to be replaced. Now, let's move on to the toner and magnetic roller section. For the original cartridge, remove this single screw here, then take off the cover. Next, pull out the magnetic roller carefully and pour out all the remaining toner inside the toner chamber. During printing, paper dust and toner residue can build up inside, so it's best to empty everything before refilling with new toner to avoid any toner contamination or mixing issues. Clean the sealing area around the magnetic roller carefully. If toner builds up here, it can damage the roller and cause toner to leak out. It can also make the toner on the roller uneven. Some areas may have too much, while others have too little, which will affect print quality and reduce the cartridge's lifespan for future refills. Use a proper magnetic roller cleaning solution to clean it thoroughly, just like I'm doing here. Make sure the roller surface is shiny and smooth before refilling the new toner. Don't try to open this cap to refill the toner. This is a sealed plastic plug, and once it's removed, you'll have to glue it back very carefully, otherwise, toner will leak out. Instead of wasting time removing and sealing it again, it's better to follow the method I'm showing you here. At both ends of the magnetic roller, there are two small plastic bushings. If they are worn out, cracked, or missing, your prints will show uneven streaks similar to the rough marks left on a wall after scraping off termite trails. Press the magnetic roller firmly against the doctor blade, then tilt it about 45 degrees to let the roller core slide out. Next, rotate the core shaft until it aligns perfectly with the D-shaped slot on the end cap for a proper fit. Now, gently rotate the magnetic roller. You should see a clean, even layer of toner spread smoothly across its surface. If you notice streaks, excess toner, or the roller feels stiff while turning, disassemble it and carefully inspect each step to ensure everything is correctly assembled. The final step of the toner refilling process is to assemble the drum unit and the toner section together. Then insert the two locking pins to secure them, completing the toner refill process. And now, we'll install the toner cartridge back into the printer and perform a test print to see the results. Let's find out how a genuine OEM cartridge performs after being refilled with toner. The print quality before and after refilling the toner is about the same, roughly 9 out of 10 in comparison. However, both prints are still quite poor in overall sharpness and clarity. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, HP does not provide refill toner for their original cartridges. So, when you try to save money by refilling with third-party toner, that toner is often not fully compatible with the genuine HP components. Therefore, to achieve sharp and clear print quality when using refilled toner, you need to replace certain parts with compatible ones, especially the drum unit, to ensure proper performance and consistency. HP does not sell refill toner for its genuine cartridges, so when you try to save money by refilling toner from third-party sources, the toner formula often does not match the specifications of the original HP components. This incompatibility can lead to poor print quality, background smudges, or even damage to the drum and developer parts over time. To achieve sharp and consistent print quality when using refilled toner, you must replace internal components such as the drum, wiper blade, and magnetic roller with compatible aftermarket parts designed for that specific toner type. This ensures your printer maintains stable performance and produces results close to the original quality. After replacing the drum, you can see the difference right away. The print quality becomes sharp, rich, and even better than before the refill. This proves that when you refill toner into a genuine HP cartridge, using a compatible drum and matching components will give you the best print results: dark, crisp, and professional-looking pages. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking and sharing this video with your friends. I'd also love to know where are you watching from. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Your support means a lot. It helps me continue creating more high-quality repair tutorials for printers and copiers, and share knowledge with people all around the world. If you'd like to help the channel grow, feel free to send a super chat or small donation. Every bit helps us keep this community of printer technicians strong and positive. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.